This is Gonzalo. He's a photographer. At the moment, he is living and working in New York. Every day, he takes photos of the city and its people. Gonzalo came to New York 2 years ago from Guatemala. He found a job and is now living in the East Village. He has a photography studio in his apartment, and he uses lots of different equipment. Gonzalo loves his life and his work, but he wasn't always a photographer.
I went to school for something completely different. I went to law school. I graduated from law school. I went to UFM. I have a law degree from UFM. But when I graduated, I was not happy with my choice of career.
Gonzalo was working for a newspaper when he decided to become a photographer and move to the United States. Gonzalo now works as a professional fashion photographer. He uses several different cameras and lenses, but one camera is particularly special.
My first camera actually is this one. I inherited from my grandfather. He passed away when I was 7 years old. My grandfather was German. This is a German camera. It's a Leica M2. It is still mint condition. I treasure it so much. I barely use it, but it takes amazing quality photographs still.
Today, Gonzalo is taking photographs of a model for a famous fashion website. But Gonzalo likes to photograph, or shoot, lots of different things. What are his favorites?
My favorite things to shoot, it's a very tough question because I shoot a lot of things. I love to shoot portraits. I love to shoot the street. I'm a big sports fan, so I like to shoot sports a lot.
Photography isn't always easy. Gonzalo travels a lot, and at the moment, he is working on 3 different jobs. So why does he enjoy his job?
It entertains me. It distracts me. It stops me from worrying about my everyday troubles or my stress or anything. So I enjoy it.
For Gonzalo, every day is different. And in a city like New York, there's always something new and exciting to photograph.